looking at this building, the core and shell complete, fit out started, and we can tell our kids, our grandkids, this facility is manufacturing commercial, clinical products for gene therapy programs for rare and ultra rare patients, which is really incredible.
I'd like to just say congratulations to the Ultragenyx team on hitting this milestone of having the building core and shell done in 2021. It's a huge milestone on the way to opening up this facility.
This is not only our first internal manufacturing facility, it's our gene therapy manufacturing facility. It's a state-of-the-art facility.
One of the exciting things about building a new plant is we kind of get to build our, a new culture and a new team.
Ultragenyx was doing work with the CRB organization. I'd done a lot of work with CRB. And one of the things CRB really brings to the table is the ability to bring deep technical subject matter expert together from multiple offices around the country and make it look absolutely seamless.
The speed to market, that message we hear loud and clear, and how important it is for teams like Ultragenyx to bring medicines to production.
We wanted to create an elegant building that facilitates the efficiency and reflects Ultragenyx culture, dedication to delivering impactful therapies to their patients and their families. A few of the main objectives were natural light, connection to the context around, the woodlands, the forest, celebrating the science that's really driving this facility forward, and creating environments for people to decompress.
This building is built for our patients, right? That's what Ultragenyx is about.
Be proud of what you've achieved to date. It's really an accomplishment, and I can't commend the team enough.
This first milestone then enables all the other work we get to do next.
We wouldn't have been able to do it without the deep knowledge and experience of our partners.